Good morning, Lowell High School, and welcome to the December 19th edition of The Week Ahead. We have a busy episode, so let's get right into it. We want to congratulate all the students of the month for the month of November. We want to thank all of our teachers for nominating Students of the Month. If you win Student of the Month, you've earned it because you have embodied all of our core values. You go the extra mile, you work really hard, you're a nice person, and you are representative of all of our core values here at Lowell High School. Any student who earns the Student of the Month will receive a certificate and a gift card to the school store, and we'll also make sure we get your name out there and publicize all of the good things that you're doing. We're proud of you. Good job, Students of the Month. On the week ahead, we're going to recognize some teachers who are going above and beyond the call of duty here at Lowell High School. They're getting nominated by their peers and or students right here at the high school. This week goes to Mr. Winslow. Mr. Winslow, you were nominated because you go above and beyond the call of duty. You always look out for your students' interests and you make learning fun. Thank you, Mr. Winslow, for all you do at Lowell High School. We just added a new art club called the National Art Honor Society. The group is recruiting new members until January, so if you're interested in art projects throughout the school and you're interested in expressing yourself through art, please consider going to meet with Miss Magnus in room 13. You can find her for more information. I hope you consider joining the National Art Society. This week we have two special guests, Mr. and Mrs. Taylor. They're on the show this week to highlight their positive school spirit and energy that they bring with them every single day. We want to welcome the Taylors to the show. We have Wayne Taylor and Jill Taylor, amazing teachers at LHS. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll start with Mrs. Taylor. Mrs. Taylor, first of all, tell us what you teach, how long you've been here, and some other things you do on the campus besides teaching.
Sure. I am Jill Taylor. I teach in the business department. I have been here for 25 years, and I teach this year entrepreneurship and retail marketing, so you may see me in the school store during lunches 3 and 4. And then I also host the Business Professionals America chapter after school up in the 600s, room 629 and 649.
And I'm Wayne Taylor. I'm a business teacher as well up in 629. I have been here 8 years, and I am on the school site council as well as co-advisor to the Business Professionals of America Club. And I teach marketing, digital social media marketing, and entrepreneurship, and have a great time doing it.
We're glad that you're here at Lowell High School, and we're also glad you're here today on the week ahead. The reason why I invited you on the show is because I thought it was very interesting that you take the time to coordinate your holiday outfits and do it consistently for the whole month of December. And I just wanted to know a little bit more about it, and I know the people watching want to know a little bit more about it.
It probably started with Halloween quite a number of years back since I've been here for so long, and I have my Three Musketeers that started with Mrs. Bienvenue and Mrs. Conley, and we consistently dress up for Halloween, and we started to expand our group and add more people. I have found that I have coordinating dress attire for the entire month. So this year my target was 20 outfits, 20 days in a row.
We haven't had anything thrown at us yet, but it's across the board. A lot of teachers like it and will give us feedback, and some say, "Oh, I don't like that." Others kind of want to join, and they don't know how we can do this for 20 days in a row, school days. But yeah, we have about 3 bins worth of costumes that we draw from. The students like it, and it's funny, we're kind of a little tamer in the beginning, and we amp it up towards the end, and students start stopping by just to see how we're dressed for the day. And some of them laugh at us, some want pictures, some want selfies, but it does put a smile on a lot of students' faces, which is nice to see during the season.
We have one of your students here today. I'd like to hear from your student what kind of reaction the students have when they see you guys dressed up in various costumes.
Hi, my name is Alice Mwangi, and when I see Mr. and Mrs. Taylor dressed up, to me it puts a smile on my face because it's nice to see that they're like happy and festive, and just puts a smile on your face when you're just having like a long day, and then you turn the corner and you see someone dressed up as Santa or Mrs. Claus. It's just, to me, I like it, and I think it's a very positive way to like spread joy without like having to do much. Like, they don't have to say anything. You just see them and you like all of a sudden you're happy.
Happy holidays from Lowell High School.
Students, this is the first day of Spirit Week. Today you should be dressed up in your favorite sports gear. I want you to take a look at the rest of the Spirit Week schedule so that we can all show our school spirit here at Lowell High School. Please participate in Spirit Week. We appreciate the work that student government has done to organize it, and we hope that you participate. Show your school spirit. The Random Acts of Kindness is at it again, selling kindness canes through Wednesday, December 21st at lunch. All proceeds will help benefit the Lowell Flood Relief Fund. Random Acts of Kindness is doing a great job, and all of the things that they sell are actually very beautiful and tasty. So for a small donation, you'll be helping folks who really need the support. Thank you to the Random Acts of Kindness students and advisors. We will have a holiday door decorating contest for advisory rooms. Advisories are welcome to decorate their doors in any holiday theme you can think of. Voting will take place on 12/20 and 12/21, and the winning advisory will win a prize. Good luck and happy decorating. I can't believe we're talking about cap and gowns for graduation, but we have to start planning. Seniors, please check your school emails for instructions to sign up for your cap and gown. An email was sent to you to explain how to order it. You must order your cap and gown by January 15th. Do not forget to order your cap and gown. We want to see you at graduation. As the weather continues to get colder, we'd like to remind you that we have Katie's Closet as a resource. Please see your social worker in your house office if you'd like to visit Katie's Closet. This year we've added a program called Flex Block at Lowell High School. This program allows students to participate in enrichment activities of their choosing. Students have voice and choice to select activities that teachers are organizing each Flex Block. We wanted to show you some scenes from our latest Flex Block, which was amazing. I had a chance to get into many Flex Block rooms, and there's a lot of really engaging activities happening. Thank you for all you do, teachers, for organizing your Flex Block, and special shout out to the Flex Block team for making this a reality here at Lowell High School. Every Monday, don't forget to sign up for Flex Blocks in advisory and make sure that you get in there early to get the Flex Block that you want. Good job, everybody. Welcome back to the week ahead. We have the Raider Challenge, Bowling with Santa. Ho, ho, ho! We're going to have a competition among the houses. Whichever house knocks down the most pins, we're going to add your score to the Raider Challenge for a big prize at the end of second semester.
I'm Ayla Pacheco. I'm from C-Hub.
I'm Colin Pickett, D-House.
I'm an E-host.
Aiden Lavoie, E-House. They call me Mr. Strike.
Sean Lesniak, and I'm in B-House.
Juan Butchers, Diaz, C-House.
Carl Poe, E-House. All right, D-House.
I'm in D-House.
Say your name to the camera.
I'm Yadier. Okay.
Miss Quinton, one of the counselors in D-House.
Hi, Kelly. Low High Security Team.
D-House.
My name is Alex Apal from E-House.
Hey, my name is Rodolfo Arias, and I'm from FA.
My name is Brandon Young, and I'm in Freshman Academy.
My name is Bobby Purple Constantino from Freshman Academy.
Well, that does it for today's episode of The Week Ahead. We hope you have a great week, a great holiday season, and thanks for joining. I'll see you next year.